Okay, more on our trash found totally destroyed generator. I just nicked my finger really bad on a pry bar and a piece of aluminum, not related to this, but cut wires. You see how those wires are hooked up actually to the whole control panel. Interesting. Might save that hardness, I don't know. Could be beneficial for something. AVR, which looks like it's been thrown on the ground. Might still work, might save the AVR. They didn't take that center bolt out, which you have to get the whole housing off. This is tapered shaft. This is all messed up. This is all like, looks like been pried on. It's just endless with this thing, endless. These wheels they put on, they're all screwed up. Just thinking about saving the engine mounts. This thing's like $1,200 at Home Depot, made in China. It's an AI Power, that's the brand. SUA12000. That's starting was 12,000, 9,000 running. Tank's all rotted. China special. See the tank rotted. I don't think anybody wants anything off of this. I scrapped the battery for it today. I got a couple cents. I want to save those wheels. Those are the same as a Champion. Same wheels, but they're in yellow. Almost looks like a Champion frame too, very similar. Frame's kind of cool, but what am I going to do with it? I got no room. You can build your own generator with a frame like this. But, you know, maybe I'll throw it out there, I don't know, for a day or two. This engine's definitely junk. I gotta see what the scrapyard tells me about it. If I break it down, like at cast price. The cylinder head, more junk, brass. I took apart my pressure washer, that's gonna be scrap. We got this thing going on over here. Filing cabinet, some next door, down the road. Scrapped out a couple chairs today. I should have really saved this platform to test that engine, but it's probably gonna be scrapped as well. I don't know, maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, we gotta go on another run, obviously, to get rid of all that. And then we gotta get rid of this. And get rid of that, and then clean all this shit up, and then it'll be okay. This looks worse than what it is. But this thing is in bad shape. It was too bad I can't save that cart, man. I'd really like to. You can build a, put a Honda engine on it. Honda with a generating unit. You can have make your own cool generator. Like a nice one. Sad. They're all. See, it's a scrap iron yard. I can't save everything. They really mangled this thing. Like bad. The engine's locked up too. Like it doesn't turn at all. I don't know what they did. I'll take some of the drain plugs out of it maybe. I don't know. Might take it all apart. See, they took the case apart too, which makes no sense. See that? Those little bolts for the case. Before taking, you got to take this off first. Then you take that off. Like whoever was just playing with this was a complete idiot. Like extreme idiot. But there's that. Is there gas train yet? Oh, still got gas in it. Yeah. But yeah. Sad, at least we saved it for the scrap iron yard. We'll get something for it. This is hundreds of pounds right here. That's where I'd like to get cast price for it instead of steel. It's hundreds of pounds.